actually take two. I'm doing a lather test on my lemon and tea tree soap. The first one, the battery died in the camera. Hate this camera. But anyway, this soap was actually made with a second recipe I tried. So we'll see how well it lathers. I don't know if you can see there, but it's very creamy lather. It's a very creamy lather. Can you see? It's creamy. It feels good, but it's not very bubbly. So, well, made a liar out of me. Bubbles. I just needed a little more water. And then it turns right on over into bubbles. It's got big, creamy, beautiful bubbles. So, it's actually a very nice lather. Let me set this down, clean everything off, and try one more time. Oh, that lemon and tea tree smells divine. I love it. Oh yeah. So, this soap is a little over a week old, I think. And here's what we have. Some big, well, not big. It's only big when it's fresh water, but it's got lots of creamy lather on it. I actually really like it. I'm getting water everywhere, and I apologize. But my husband and little brother decided that they wanted to be funny and start making noises, and you know how men are. Anyway, there you go. This is my lemon and tea tree soaps. They're actually soap cupcakes. They were a successful lather in my opinion. Oh well, until next time, happy soaping. Bye bye.